Welcome to Wiring and Artwork. Usually we do the wiring, price tagging, and wrapping all at the same time. If you are going to do these three things at the same time, cut the plastic sheeting from the wrapping instruction video and place it on the table before proceeding. It will make the process go so much faster. We wire lightweight artwork 60 inches width and under. Sizes above that and heavier works we use screw-on 3-hole hangers. To wire an artwork, place the canvas face down on a very clean table. Measure the height of the artwork. Divide by 3. Put a pencil mark on the stretcher bars at the same measurement on both sides. This particular print was 40 inches high, so we would make our marks at 13 1/3 inches from the top. Screw in hangers. Make sure the screws are long enough that they are secure but short enough that they do not split the wood or go through the face of the canvas. Attach the wire like this. Then run the wire through the second hanger. When you pull up on the wire, it should go up by 2 or 3 inches. For artwork that we are not wiring, we should attach an information card to the brace bar, noting that wires should not be used. The placement of the hooks is generally the same as the smaller canvases, 1/3 of the way down. Place a triple hanger like this. Tilt it in a little bit on the thinner stretcher bar so the metal is not visible from the front.